Okay, this is WordPress training on the Kallyas theme. So basically WordPress is an open source code, which doesn't mean a whole lot except for it's a place where other people can create plugins, create themes, create the design, create the framework for their own particular pages, and then they can sell these themes, they can sell the plugins, they can give the plugins away for free, whatever. Basically, it's a place where you can build websites for very little cost, and you don't need any special equipment such as Dreamweaver or anything like that. This is all done completely online. So right now I'm at the home page of RV Rental Trailer or Rental Mesa, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an overview of the dashboard right now. Basically, on every website in the upper left-hand corner, there's this W right here. You click on this, and it's going to take you to the dashboard, okay, which is your content management system. Now, there's pretty much just 2 or 3 things that you're going to mess with on a regular basis. One of them is creating posts, creating articles, and blogs and stuff like that. Article is a blog, blog is an article, same difference. You can see that there's several different blogs here currently, or several different articles here currently. You can edit any one of them just by clicking the edit button, and you can change the title, you can change the content inside, you can set a image, a featured image, so that when the article is viewed, we'll just right click, open link in a new window, click on this. When the article is viewed, there's a little bit of graphics to it. It just makes it look a little bit better, okay? And so you can do all that from the posts section or edit post section of this content management system. Okay, you can trash them. If you trash one, it'll go into a trash. Another little thing will pop up here that says trash. Right now it's empty, so there is no trash. But if you want to completely delete it, you have to click on the trash button and go in there and permanently delete it. Okay, otherwise it's just going to kind of move it out of the posts section. Okay. The next section that you might use a bit is the pages section. And you'll do this to create new pages. Let's go to our main website. A page is, if you go to trailers, pick on any one of these pages. That's an individual page. Picked on the 2008 Weekend Warrior. You can edit any one of those pages just by clicking on whichever page it is. So we just clicked on the 2008 Weekend Warrior, which is right here. We can click edit, and a box will open up. You'll notice that there's no content in here. There's no written content in here. It is all done through the page builder section. The page builder section has the carousel, the action box, the image gallery. There is actually one thing missing from this. Since I'm here, I'm going to add that now, and that is the keyword element. Add a keyword to this page. Click on done. And now I can go up here and click update. Anytime you edit a page, you're going to want to click update. You can also preview the page before you actually upload it, so you can make sure that that keyword element or any images that you may change are in there. Okay, this is the keyword that I just placed in there. Okay, so we know that that's working. So we can go ahead and click update now. You can see that it's working when this circle is spinning, and it is done. It's now a square. The other thing that you're going to mess with, and I show you how to do this. If you look up how to create a page or how to create a post with Kallyas, Kallyas, you can find it in YouTube. Just type in those exact words and I'll show you how to create this entire page, including inserting images, uploading all the images. Okay, it'll show you how I created all these images. This is the carousel section, which is this upper section here. Click done on that. And then this is the image gallery, which is the lower half of the page. Just click these little edit buttons to open them up. You can click upload and upload a new image. It'll just replace this one out. You don't have to delete this. Don't worry about that little trash sign. Just upload a new image. And this section is the image gallery, which is this section here, the image gallery. Okay. On any of the pages, you can just click on the image and it'll open up a bigger thing. Remember, how to create a post or how to create a page with the word Kallyas at the end. Kallyas. Okay, we'll click done. We're not making any changes to this. The next thing that you might mess with is pages. Now, when you look in YouTube how to create a page in Kallyas, how to create a page, Kallyas, I actually create a page called 2008 Thor Vortex. Now, one thing I didn't do is add it to the navigation bar. The navigation bar is this section up here. Toys, contact us, home. This is the navigation bar. Okay? So you just click on that button and it'll take you to the next page. Or you can have a drop down. You can see here that this has a drop down when you hover over it, and you can click on any one of these pages and it'll take you to that specific page. Whereas if you hover over home, there's no drop down. Trailer, there's a drop down. Toys, there's no drop down. Okay? Same thing with contact us. So the one thing that's missing from here is the 2008 Thor Vortex. Okay? So if we want to edit a menu, you just go to Appearance, then you go to Menus, and you can see that this is our main navigation bar, our menu bar, and in trailers there's no Thor Vortex. But here in the pages, there's also categories. Here in the pages, we actually have our 2008 Thor Vortex right there. So we're just going to check that, and we're going to click Add to Menu. Now it's going to add it to this bottom section here. Okay, it always adds in order. If I clicked another one, it would add down below that. But you can just click on it and drag it. All right. Now you can see right here, you can make it a submenu of a submenu. So this is the menu button right here. Below that was the drop downs of all of these. But if you had a Fleetwood Taos and then you wanted to talk about the Fleetwood Taos space or living space, you can create a page. You got to create a page first. Then that page will show up in here, and you can click on it and add it to menu. Okay, and then you can have it pop out to the side, so it's a submenu of the Fleetwood Taos. In this case, the Thor is the submenu, is just a page in the submenu of the trailer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click Save. Make sure you click Save on every time you do something here. Okay. Now we'll go back to our trailer section. You can see it's not here right now. The reason it's not here is because we have to refresh. All right, refresh this page. Hover over trailer, and boom, it's right there. Okay? So it's that simple to create a menu item If you were going to create one of these main tabs, just create a page and then put it right there. Okay. Instead of having it being out, just put it right up against this wall, as close as you can against this wall. Okay, so those are the main things that you're going to mess with. Plugins, you can leave page. It's asking me if I want to leave page because it didn't want me to unsave or forget to save something because I moved those around, but I never really moved them out of place, so I just set them back where they were. Now there's a couple of things about plugins. Plugins are security features, cache features, different WordPress features. There's thousands and thousands of plugins. Okay. Right now I'm going to add a feature for security. So what I want to do is go to Plugins, Add New, up in the top section here. Click the Add New button. And then I'm going to search for something. All right. And I'm going to find the best one that fits what I'm looking for. Just click enter, or right click. Bulletproof security. It says it's got 5 stars, but it says 0.488. So I don't know how many people have actually done this. I just don't trust this number, even though it's at the top of the page. This one here, WordFence security, very good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and install this. Just click install. You're installing a plugin. Are you sure you want to install this? Yes. So it's downloaded it, it unpacked it, it is installing the plugin, successfully installed. However, it's not active. Okay? Keep that in mind. It is not active. It's not activated to run. Alright, so now I can go to install. I can click activate plugin right there. I can go to installed plugins, find WordFence, click activate. It's going to run through a cycle. You can see that it's working up there. Congratulations, you've just installed. Enter your email. Of course, everybody wants to capture email. You do too. So we'll talk about that later. Okay, so that's basically it. It is installed. You can go through, you could scan your site, you can set up your summaries, scan details. You can block IP addresses. If a specific IP address keeps on hitting your site and you find out about it, filling out just general information, trying to maybe break into your site, you can actually end up blocking that email permanently. Okay. Instead of a schedule, who is lookup. I don't know why they have a who is lookup IP or domain. Oh, look up the IP. So if IP is hitting your address, hitting your website a lot, you can look it up. That's more advanced stuff. You're not really going to use this stuff. Okay. The last thing that I really want to show you is the Kallyas options. So you can click on Kallyas options. Don't worry about WooCommerce for right now. Unless you're already using it, you do not need to worry about that. Okay. There's some custom plugins that Kallyas offers, but for right now, I just want to talk about the general. Just click on that. Kallyas options. It'll drop down. General options. Now you can see up here this little box right here. This is called a favicon. Okay, that's where your favicon goes. You can see Bing has a favicon. Right now there's no favicon here. So what I'm going to do is set up a favicon. Alright, and that's just this third button down. Click on that. Nothing is here. You can click upload image. It's going to open up your media file. Oh, there it is. Look at this little trailer right here in the center. So I'm going to click on that and then click insert post in the lower right hand corner. Check mark. Click this check mark. Every time you make a change in the Kallyas section, you're going to click this check mark to save it. Okay? Successfully uploaded. Successfully completed. See if I can refresh this page and see if it shows the favicon. Boom. See this little trailer right here? It's installed. Okay? So now your travel trailer site has a travel trailer up there as your rental. as your favicon, excuse me. The other thing I'm going to do is install the logo. Now, when you set up Kallyas in general, when you set up the blog through WordPress, you type in the name of the blog. Okay? When you upload Kallyas, it puts it in right here. But there's a couple problems with it. One, this is very dark, right? When you're not hovering over it, it's dark. The red is cool, but at the same time, it's dark. But maybe that's what you want. A lot of people do want that. I don't know. Here's what I've created. I created an image just using Microsoft Publisher. PowerPoint. I used PowerPoint, created an image, and now I'm going to upload that image. Now it has a transparent background and it has white lettering, so it's hard to see. We're going to click on that. I'm going to click Insert to Post. It says RV Rental Mesa Travel Trailer Rental. Okay, so it has two things in there. The main statement, the site statement, and then the lower subliminal statement. Okay, so I've uploaded that. Click the check mark. Make sure you click the check mark. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh this page. You're going to see my new... See this right here? Okay, one thing that I noticed right off the top is I don't like the placement of it, okay? It's really wide, which, not sure about that, and it has the bottom of this right along the bottom of this. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my PowerPoint. You're going to have to do this a lot whenever you deal with WordPress or themes. You're going to have to edit your pictures, crop your pictures, resize your pictures, everything like that, okay? So I've got my image right here. Let's go ahead and right-click, save this as a picture. Click Save. Now what I'm going to do is, yeah, sure, save that. Open up the file. Oh, I was already on it. Open up the file. Find logo RV1. Open it up. Click Edit. Click Crop. I'll lower this down, raise this up, and then I'm going to go side to side here and make that a little bit tighter. Okay. Then I'm going to click OK. Click Save. Close that out. Minimize that. Go back to WordPress, upload a new image just by clicking Upload. Okay, there's nothing special. I don't need to trash that out. Just click the Upload. It is not here yet. That's right. It's not here yet. So let me upload the file. It's not in my media library yet. So I got to find the file and upload it. The images, logo RV1, it's uploading, and boom, it's uploaded. Okay, so now it's a little bit shorter. Insert into post, check mark, option successful. We'll refresh this. So it's a little bit, it's not as wide, and this centered up a little bit higher in the black, and this is a little bit lower in the gray, which is kind of cool looking, right? It's a little bit different. Okay, so that's the logo. Let's see, header options. You can learn about this stuff later. There's a lot of different header options. You can create unlimited headers. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. Here's headers here. You can see that I've created different header colors, and that is actually going to apply to this background area here. So wherever it's gray right here, it's going to apply in this header section. Okay, that's basically it. You can play around with some of these options. I wouldn't mess with anything too much that says settings or anything like that. I've got your permalink set up, which you don't need to get into, but I've got it set up to post name. Whatever you type in the title is the post name. You could do custom structure and have it still be post name. You can change it to whatever you want, and then just make sure you click Save Options. But don't make a date. Don't see this question mark P123. These are default ones. You do not want it to have that. Okay, you don't want it to have the date and time, anything like that. You want every single post to have some kind of SEO to it. So even your posts, you should try to make them SEO. Like I said about the articles, make sure you watch the How to Create a Post Kallyas, Kallyas video in YouTube to make sure that you learn how to do SEO using posts and so forth. Okay, I think that's about it for the main portion of it. If you have any other questions, make sure that you email me or contact me in some way. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.